We talked about the participation by ICESCO at the United Nations General Assembly Science Summit, which will take place in September next year. And we had a really very productive discussion around the enormous potential for science collaboration globally, and really looking to his enormous leadership role in this space. We discussed the challenges globally that we all face in the area of climate and health and many, many others, and within that the scope for enabling cooperation between scientists and other stakeholders necessary to work together to address global challenges. We discussed on cooperation between ICESCO and the European Union and the UN. And also we realized that many of the policy objectives are aligned. So we're looking forward to working together, to collaboration, and to preparing a very comprehensive agenda to bring ICESCO to the Science Summit next year, including many scientists, and through that to build cooperation